Hi, everyone, and welcome back to this week's second episode of me going live. And today I wanted to talk about what is a wardrobe detox. I talk about wardrobe detox, I talk about closet detox. So I wanted to just come on for a few minutes of the day today and talk about exactly what it is and probably why you actually need one. So, before we get things started, again, as always, my name is Tiffany and I'm a wardrobe coach and I help professional women build their iconic closets so that they can tap into their power and it will also position them for success. I'm tongue tied today because I just finished work for a little bit and I'm on lunch, so I'm just a little all over the place. So, that's probably why I'm late today. But let's just jump right into it, shall we? So first, what is a wardrobe detox? So, and if you see me looking down as always, I'm sitting reading my notes and I have like two cameras going today. So, wardrobe detox is getting rid of clothes that you no longer serve you or reflect who you are. By doing a detox will allow you to breathe new life into your closet, and this will also help you build a wardrobe that reflects who you are. So, in short, it's cleaning and it's cleaning out your closet. And when I talk about this, I'm also talking about cleaning out your drawers and if you have additional closets in your home, or if you even have, those sterilite bins full of clothes that you haven't probably gone into in about, I don't know, 6 months, 7 months, or you throw things in there just to hide them. That and this is what a wardrobe detox is. It is literally going through everything that you have clothes wise, going through them and getting rid of things that no longer serve you. Now, this will also entail help you with make space for you to build a wardrobe that will reflect who you are, because you cannot have anything come to you if you have a lot of stuff going on. And if I cuss a little, don't mind me, just go with the flow, because I might say the other word instead of stuff. But that's what this is. One of the things that I believe and that I learned is that we tend to hold on to stuff for whatever reason. And then what we go ahead and do is we go ahead and we try to hide it away. So we try to hide it in sterilite bins, in the back of our closets, in drawers, or we may move them from one closet to another. But at the same time, what we're doing is we're causing clutter, we're causing disorganization, which then causes you to feel overwhelmed. You have this emotional type of feeling that you may not know exactly where it comes from. If you believe it or not, having a lot of stuff does that for you. And this also, you're not able to create and build a professional wardrobe that you have. And I bet you any money you'll probably have about this much space in your closet that has the clothes that you actually wear, because you don't really want to look into anything else. And you also think, well, I'll just go buy a new outfit. But what you're doing is you're just piling on to the stuff that you already have, and it just makes more and more clutter and disorganization. But what the closet wardrobe detox actually does for you is it allows you to create space. If you want to build a wardrobe, you need the space to do it. You need to see what you have. You need to see what you don't have. You need to be able to breathe. Just the simple fact of it being and having it be a weight lifted off of your shoulders is amazing. In case in point, I'll tell you my story. So about 10 or 12 years ago, I had a closet it wasn't big. I lived in an older house, so my closet was maybe about that big wide for a closet, right? And I had a ton of clothes. I mean, when I tell you it was stuffed to the gills, I had shelves with bins at the top of it full of clothes. I had a bin, like a wicker basket at the bottom of my closet full of clothes. Not to mention I had drawers that were full of clothes. Oh, and I had another closet in my other room full of clothes. And what I would do is I never felt like going and looking through my stuff to find something to wear. What did I do? I would spend countless hours if I had to go somewhere. I would run to the mall and I would spend countless hours looking for something to wear, which in caused me to spend more money than I actually wanted to, and had no idea really what I wanted because I was rushing to do what I needed to do. So one day I sat down and I said, you know what? I need to clean out my closet. I need to get rid of stuff. So literally what I did is I pulled everything out of my closet, everything from the shelves, everything from the bins below, everything in my drawers, and everything from my other closet, and I threw it all on my bed. Now, when you're doing a wardrobe detox or a closet detox, when I mean everything, I mean everything. I mean clothes, I mean shoes, I mean accessories, I mean every absolute thing that you have, because you have to go through it. And I did. I went through it. I looked at things that, do I like this? Why do I wear this? This thing still has price tags on it, and I haven't worn it in 6 months to a year. You'd be surprised how many clothes I had that still had price tags on them because I never wore them, because it was one of those, oh, that looks cute, I'm gonna go buy that. Or I can put that with an outfit one day, and guess what? I never did. But instead of getting rid of it, I would always end up go and just pile it away somewhere, stuff it in a closet, stuff it in a bin, stuff it in a basket, and keep moving. From doing this whole entire closet detox that I did, and I think it took me about a day, and what ended up happening was I ended up getting rid of 8 garbage bags full of stuff. Let me say that again. 8 garbage bags full of stuff. When I was done and I looked out in my hallway at all of this stuff, and then was able to look into my closet and my drawers, and it was just like, I can breathe. It was like a weight had been lifted off of my shoulders, because now I'm not cluttered and I don't have a lot of stuff, and it's organized. And now I can build on top of what I have. Also, I was able to find items that I never thought I had or didn't remember I had, that I still liked, that I could begin to incorporate and wear in my everyday clothes wearing, right? So fast forward a little bit, a few years, maybe a year or 2 or so later, I ended up moving. Now, when you begin to really clear out and clean out your stuff, and this can be for anything. This could be for a wardrobe detox. This could be for cleaning out your office. This could be cleaning out your kitchen. This could be cleaning out your garage. This could be anything when you have to do a detox of cleaning things out of closets and spaces and rooms, right? I was able to make space for what was waiting for me, or what was waiting to happen for me. So in essence, about a year or 2 after that, I ended up moving. Imagine if I still had all of that stuff that I would have had to have lugged from Pennsylvania all the way down to North Carolina, carrying baggage, which was in essence an old version of me, that I had to begin to make space and to make room. And I think we underestimate how powerful cleaning out a space can be, because not only are you making space for you to just breathe and be like, and have a sigh of relief, you're also making space for what is potentially coming your way, but it cannot come your way because you have too much stuff in your space, whether it's your closet, whether it's your drawers, whether it's anything in your house. You begin that you have to make the space. That's what a wardrobe detox can do for you. Now, the first go round, it could definitely be hard. It could definitely be it could be overwhelming, and it could be time consuming. But you do have to plan this, of course. But you also have to look at the benefits of it. You can breathe. Now you can enjoy the clothes that you have and utilize everything that you have. And you can begin to make space for what is potentially coming to you. Cleaning out your wardrobe, because I work with professional women, what if that your closet, the stuff that you have in there, is holding you back from getting the job you want because you're not dressing for it? You have an opportunity, you want to do a collaboration, you're an entrepreneur, you're a real estate agent, whatever it is you may be. Imagine what could happen if you let go of your stuff. And I think people tend to hold on to stuff longer and they shouldn't be. Because now you're looking for what makes you feel good. Does this fit? Is it too old? Is it worn? Is it shredded? Like whatever it is, you just have to begin to learn to get rid of it. And for everyone that's joining me right now on the live stream, my name is Tiffany and I'm talking about what is a wardrobe detox and talking about how letting go of your stuff is actually quite freeing. And when you begin to let go of your stuff in your closet the first go round, as you get, if you live in a area that you have actual true seasons, for example, now you just have to edit it every time you do it per season. So it's probably going to be like twice a year, right? So this way, now it's less, but of course, it's the first step of actually tackling and making the decision, because what you're about to do, you have to make the decision that you want to show up for yourself. You want to create a space and a place where you enjoy getting dressed again, to where you're not overwhelmed and you're not preparing yourself, as I said in Tuesday's live stream, you're not preparing yourself to get dressed. You're not running out buying something new, which you're spending more money if you don't want to spend more money. And you just have a sense of peace that comes along with that, if that makes any sense, of having a sense of peace as you're cleaning out your closet. So I want you to really think about that. And while you're thinking about that, I want you to download a copy of my 7 Closet Deadly Sins, and you can find the link in the description box, in the bio. And if you're watching the replay on YouTube, it will be in the description box below. I created this opt-in for you so you could see exactly what are the things that I might be doing that might be hindering and stopping me from actually having the closet, the iconic closet, as I say, that I'm looking for and that you want, because you have to know what you're not to do, which you're probably doing, because I'm actually guilty of some of them right now, and how to acknowledge them, and how exactly is it that we move past them. And also, if you had to jump off really quick, or you're looking for the replay, all of my replays will always be over on my YouTube channel, which is also in the my link in the bio here on Instagram for you to check it out. And if you need to come back and rewatch, you can always do that as well. So thank you for allowing me to come into your home and joining me today on this live stream. I will be back next Tuesday and Thursday as always. So with all of that, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I will talk to you guys next week in the next live stream. Bye guys.